Finding skilled people is difficult, and it's not getting easier. Most shops aren't short on work, they're short on hands. That's why I want to show you how automation can make the difference. My name is Mitch Gerth. I'm here at Fine Line Steel Fabrication in Salt Lake City, where they operate the Voortman V353. This machine is built for automation, because today, it has to be. The foundation of automation is the large modular cutting bed. It enables plate buffering, which means automated production during the day and unmanned production at night with minimal operator involvement. Let me show you how that works. If we open the scheduling tab, you'll see all available nestings, optionally prioritized by date. It provides a clear overview of project details, nesting layouts, dimensions, thicknesses, and required tooling. Once your planning is in place and you're ready to move into production, you switch to the preparation tab. Here, after the stack plates are measured, you'll see the full buffered layout. From this screen, you define exactly which jobs you will run and in which sequence or combination. One detail I particularly like, the system clearly shows all required tools with a color indication of availability. That way you know up front whether the entire buffer can run without manual intervention. And always available is the quick menu, giving you direct access to the most used settings, the parameter adjustments, and full nozzle management. Once everything is set, the operator presses start and can step away. From there, the machine buffers plates automatically, switches nozzles, corrects nesting alignment if needed, and keeps running. And with clearly defined safety zones, operators can work around the machine with minimal disruption. With the V353, automation doesn't eliminate people. It multiplies what your team can handle. It lets you take on more work and larger projects, while your people focus on tasks around the machine, not staying tied to it. That's what automation should do, especially in a labor-constrained market. To learn more about output, flexibility, or cost reduction, check out my other videos in this series. And if you're short on people and looking for ways to keep production moving, don't hesitate to contact us.